Hey there, welcome to our channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Y'all come on in. Today's dish is a pasta and sausage bake. So easy, minimal ingredients, taste really good. I think a lot of times people don't make delicious homemade meals because they think it's too complicated, but it's really not. Most of the time, really good tasting dishes have very few ingredients and are really easy to assemble. Most can be done between 30 minutes and an hour. I rarely cook anything takes over an hour unless it's a, like a Sunday or something, and I want to impress, or whatever. But for the most part, everything I do, even though it's scratch, really only takes 30 minutes to an hour. First thing you're going to need is some ground Italian sausage. You can use mild or hot. Some sharp cheddar cheese. 1 pack of thawed out green peas. Really, basically, pasta of your choice. I'm going to use penne today. Basil and oregano. Red pepper. Salt and pepper. That's it, guys. All right, the first thing we're going to do is the pasta, because basically that's going to take you the longest in prep. So I've got my water boiling. Oh, my salt's already out. Okay, and I'm going to take my salt. We're going to really salt that water so my pasta tastes good. And we are going to put, to serve for, you really only need about 2 cups of pasta. So we're going to guesstimate that's about 2 cups of pasta. And we're going to cook that pasta al dente, and only al dente because it's going to cook in the oven for a little bit longer and finish off without being soggy. Now we're going to go for a medium heat under this little pan, medium or just under. Set that pan there, let it get warm just a minute or two, and then we're going to add our sausage. Just take it right out of the back, right into the pan. My pan's hot now. We're just going to add that sausage right to the pan. Wasn't quite hot enough. Let's go up just a little bit. Now we're just going to break that sausage up into little fine pieces. I know if you got one of them meat mashers, you can use it at this point, but I don't have one. Just one more gadget in your kitchen. You really don't need it. My sausage is all brown now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off and just let it finish cooking in that residual heat off that pan. And my pasta should be about ready. Okay, now to test, make sure that I'm al dente, I'm going to just mash it. If it come apart but still add a little like push to it, then it's al dente and it's ready to go. So now we're going to get that drained and go on to the next step. And as usual, I forgot to tell you an ingredient. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of milk, but at least I did it before I started putting it together. Now we're going to need 1 cup to 1.5 cups of grated sharp cheddar cheese. Which shouldn't take you but a minute. That should be about a cup. Oh yeah, there's a cup. Now we're just going to start putting all of our ingredients into a mixing bowl. So we got that 2 cups of pasta. Almost a pound of your sausage. Your cheese. Your peas. Your milk. Now we need 1 teaspoon each, which won't fit. 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of your basil and oregano. One each. Just a little bit of red pepper, unless you like it hot. Now you can use that hot sausage and put as much of this in there as you want, but I'm just gonna do about like that, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. Then we're just gonna salt with our heart. Gonna pepper with our heart. Okay. And we're gonna give all that a good mix. Get it all together, all combined. Make sure that, without making a mess, this bowl wasn't quite big enough. All right, now I'm gonna spray my 2.5 quart. You don't have to spray. It's really not that good for you, but it makes cleanup so easy. So we're gonna spray. Just like that. We're gonna fill our casserole dish. Now we're just gonna level it out. Get that cheese. We need that cheese. And then put a lid on it. Okay, if you don't have a lid for your casserole dish, just go ahead and put some aluminum foil over it, or put an oven safe plate right on top of it, just so that it collects that steam and works its magic, permeates, works its magic, whatever it does. But make sure you got a lid. We're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out and take the lid off. Okay, my 25 minutes is up. Take my casserole and take it over to the table. Ow, hot. We're gonna take that lid off and put it right back in the oven for about 15 minutes. Out we go. Taste test time. Come on, Randy. I know he's ready because it's getting late.
I'm chugging along. Voila.
Voila.
All right. Let's let's just dive right in. I love Italian sausage. You know it's got to be good. I feel as though I've been whisked off to the countryside of Italy.
Alrighty then. You know what? That is
in the
completely,
land of pasta.
It is completely under $10. I paid like, at Aldi I paid what, three something for the Italian sausage. I used a third of a box of $1 pasta. A bag of peas is like $1.19, and those few little spices and a half a cup of milk. I mean, how much could it be? It's well under $10 and absolutely easily feed 4 people. So it's a winner, winner, winner.
You know, I do have one memorable experience in Italy that
right.
sticks out in my mind. And that was a cab ride in a Matchbox car going the wrong way down a one-way tunnel. And if you guys been to Italy, you know what I'm talking about. Well, this is really very good.
Okay, good.
I am pleased.
All right, there we go. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.